It's good amount of it, and it's really important. If I did share some videos before for the gel painting with the brush, you can do just holding your one fingers right here, and to support yours is painting finger to hold it down, so then your hands will not shaky. I'm gonna add is one, and keep your brushes flat. At first, when you draw, you're going to do it, keep it like a 45-degree angle. I don't know, can you able to see on that end? And then when you turn the client's nails and your nails, you keep your brush flat. And it's so, gel painting is so pigmented and so consistency. So it's easy for you to do every single stroke. And it's not runny at all. I'm gonna start in the seconds line. Super easy. And it's not like translucent at all. It's so solid because the pigment of the gel painting, this is gel painting in the bottle. All right. And then you can continue doing like a 45-degree angle. And then you are going to flatten your brush. Hey Jenny, how are you? You are very welcome. What did I say? T-Basses? All right, so I'm gonna flash key it quick for 10 seconds. All right, where I'm at right now. Right there. Okay. Flash key first before we move into the blue. And here's the colors I just did use. See how cool that blue is. All right, so moving on, the next one. So you're gonna lay it right and next to the first swirl, and make sure the one hand will support the other, so then you can do swirls really short without shaky. Same thing when you do the E-file as well. You're gonna get one fingers to stationary the other. And give you like really simple smooth strokes every single time. And it's not runny, it's not like bleaching to the other colors. Get a little bit on the cuticle area. I'm just gonna use my 3D doer and wipe it off. See, I told you, I promise, it's really simple and it's not that difficult. Just hold it still, and this does everything for you. This is the brush. Keep it parallel with the nails, like a flat. And do it again. I feel like I'm quiet for a second. And then you can continue to add on and to perfect your line, which is this one will never lie and it will never betray you. You can see that how I just doing it really precise line right there. And then one more like right here. And now I'm happy with this. We're going to flash clear for 30 seconds. All right. Put some crystal on. Quick 30 seconds. Here got two colors, and I'm gonna using is Ocean Blues and a Crimson's Mix SS. I'm gonna add some crystal on. Here's the looks for the first nails with the fusioning. Looks really good in person instead of looks it in the under the camera. Let me see if I can show you both. And then we're all going to do with condensed glue gels. If you're always having a hard time with crystal placements, to stay on. This is yours going to be your bestie. Is condensed glue gel, no wet top coat, and of course in later we are going to double secure with precision glue gels. So add condensed glue gels on. And then we are going to apply like a good perfect, not too thick, not too thin. And of course, no white top coat on. Slay for less. Hello, how are you? Thanks so much for tuning in. And floating the top coat on the top of unclear condensed glue gel. So what does it going to finish? First of all, it's going to finish when you're completely with your crystal placement. Don't have to worry about remove all the tacky layoff. The second is between no white top coat and condensed glue gels, it will definitely angles your crystal down to the base without worry about it's gonna coming off. So I'm gonna pick up one. It's one centerpiece. In this one I am using SS12. And add beads on. And small beads on. Add a couple more. And a couple more. Add beads on, and add beads on. And moving on, next one. I'm gonna add some. I like that one. And then add some beads on. This is like the SS pack. It's had the crimsons and ocean blue, rose gold, there you go. Oh, I like that. You can do it, or you can just don't do anything and top coat and good to go. But if you want to do, you can add some crystal on. It's gonna make it look really gorgeous, and also it's really nice. I'll get one more right there. Just a little blue and a little blue.
Yes, true. That is correct. So you want to start with condensed glue gel. Then no white top coat. Just remember, just floating over. Don't drag it down. And then put all your crystal on. Finish your design. Cure it, and then you can double secure with precision.
Yeah, if you're happy with this, we are going to cure for 60 seconds.